Yes, Productronica 2015, wonderful year, 40 years, something to celebrate, and I think Panasonic dipped deep into the budget bucket and slashed out on a massive booth, the biggest one in the history, so it looks very wonderful, loads of interesting machines. I'm talking to Christian Kolber, Sales Director for Europe for Panasonic. Yes, thank you that we were allowed to have a nice little look around.
You're very welcome.
Yes, what are you actually exhibiting here?
We try to emphasize Industry 4.0 as much as we can. It's unknown territory, so we're embarking on an unknown journey here, but I believe that we do have some items, software solutions, products available that serve this end. One of them is to increase the process control in a production line. Of course, this is software based. What we're doing is we're using AOI and SBI data to optimize processes and to automatically adjust parameters in different process steps. What has been known in the market so far is the use of SBI data for the adaptation of screen printer parameters. We have always had the opportunity to adapt SMT placement data and correct the placement position accordingly. We've increased that performance now to include AOI data pre and post reflow. So the extent to which we can control the overall process has definitely increased with this new solution.
Where would you actually, which customers would you actually target globally? The low volume, high volume European customers?
We have a tradition in serving the high volume, high mix type of customers, which is by and large, especially in Europe, the automotive industry. They're very advanced in some of the technologies, and this is where we can deliver a very good solution and a good benefit to our customers.
Do you actually, I know it's a difficult question, but do you actually expect any cut downs due to the Volkswagen scandal that's going around Europe at the moment and the world?
Extremely difficult to predict. Much of it is in the media. It's heavily debated, but we can't feel it in the markets yet.
Okay.
If you can tell from the newspapers, sales at Volkswagen is still high. They don't feel it yet, so as long as they don't feel it, we won't feel it either.
Okay, well then fingers crossed for that. I already asked your colleague about 2015 and 2016. What is your assessment?
2015 has been an unexpectedly good year. It started off fairly slow. Our forecasts were more on the defensive side, but throughout the summer and then especially in the second half of this calendar year, business picked up tremendously. We're all happy, and we hope to have this continued in 2016. Well, that remains to be seen.
Yes, fingers crossed, and I will get back to you in April to see if your little prediction is correct.
Thank you very much.
And thank you.